Hello children, let's continue our lesson hydrosphere.
There
Okay.
are number of water bodies, okay children, in this universe. So we will study one by one. Okay, so first is oceans. What is ocean, children? Ocean is a large area content water, okay, that is content salt water. This water contain more amount of salt, which is not useful for our daily requirement. It is not fit for our daily requirements. Okay children, so let us see the definition of the oceans. Okay, so oceans are vast, okay, vast water bodies, very large area. Ocean is covered very large area that usually separate continents. What is continents? Continents means there is a land, because we know already 71% water is present in our planet, and the remaining 29% is the land, okay, where we are living.
The land is not in one piece. They are divided into
How many
separate
continents
parts.
are there in our universe? So there are 7 continents, isn't it? Do you know? Can you tell me the name, please? Yes, you are right, but I will tell you in details. Okay, Asia is our
Largest.
continent. Okay, Europe, okay, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents which is separated by the oceans. Okay, there are also 5 types of ocean is there that you will study in later, isn't it? So oceans are the vast water bodies that usually separate continents, okay, from one another. Okay, they are not together. All the continents, they are separated by the water, by the oceans. The water is salty by nature itself. Okay, there are 5 oceans. How many oceans? 5 oceans on earth, on our planet, isn't it? So they are, what are they? They are Pacific Ocean. Okay, the first is, the biggest is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, okay, and our Indian Ocean also. Okay, now there is a Southern Ocean, okay, and Arctic Ocean. These types of oceans, that is 5, there are 5 types of ocean which is separate continents. There are 7 continents, okay, which is separated by the ocean, by the 5 types of ocean, isn't it? So now look at this picture here, children. Okay, so these are the oceans. Okay, this is Indian Oceans. Okay, now sea. Okay, so seas are also vast water bodies. Okay children, seas is also a vast, means big water bodies like ocean, but smaller to ocean, isn't it? So vast water bodies, but smaller, okay, smaller than oceans in size, isn't it? So they are partly closed by land. They are partly, okay, very little, partly closed by land and open up, okay, most of the size of the seas opens, okay, up to the ocean, okay, ocean. And sea water is salty in nature, okay, same as a ocean. Ocean also, more amount of salt is mixed in this water. It is not fit for us, for our requirements. So example of sea is Arabian Sea. I will show you the picture. The sea area is closed up to here, and this is the Indian Ocean. Okay children, this is the full Indian Ocean. Okay, so just imagine the size of the sea. Okay, the size of the sea compared to the ocean is a much smaller than the ocean, isn't it? And look at this sea part. Sea is a partly enclosed with land, okay, with land, okay, and the rest of the part is opens up to the ocean. That is Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean area, isn't it? So it is more versatile. Ocean is a big, okay, occupy largest area compared to the sea, isn't it? So this is a partly enclosed with the land. Sea is enclosed with the land, but the water is same content. Here also the same water, salty water. This is also a salty water. So they can mix together while they are flowing. It is incredible, okay children, it is incredible that a wide variety, okay, a wide variety of Earth's living organism, okay, a wide variety of our planet's organism which is present within the oceans. Okay, what does it mean, children? You will be surprised by knowing this, that most of the water animals and most of the aquatic plants, they live in the oceans only. Okay, they live in the sea also, but more percentage of the animals and plants, they live in the oceans. Okay children, one important point that you have to remember, most of the living organisms in this universe are present in the oceans only. Some of the longest flowing rivers in India are Gangas, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These rivers are very longest rivers, okay, in India. Next is, this is the activity children that you have to do by yourself, okay, as a homework. Describe water bodies, okay, any one water body that you have visited, okay, maybe it is river or lake, waterfall, sea, etc. Any one you have to describe.